after you, even the teachers, because this pledge will make you aware that we have to keep our surrounding clean. I take the pledge that I will remain committed towards cleanliness. All the teachers also to say. And devote time to clean India. I pledge to devote 2 hours per week to voluntary work for cleanliness. I pledge to neither litter nor let others litter. I pledge to initiate the quest for cleanliness with myself, my family, my locality, my city, and my school. I pledge to propagate the message of Swachh Bharat Mission in cities, villages, and towns. I pledge to encourage 100 other persons to take this pledge which I am taking today. I pledge to take every step towards cleanliness that will help in making my country clean. Jai Swachh India. Jai Hind. Now this pledge will be put in all the classrooms